Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing wonderful today. So I'm here again this another Sunday and I'm still searching for flowers for my organizer. I'm here in Target looking for flowers. So let's go guys. Hope I can get 2 flowers for my organizers this Sunday. So guys, if you were searching for office space flowers or living room flowers or just about any small space flowers, they do have a lot here in Target. Sometimes I totally forget about Target, but I'm glad I came here today because I get to choose 2 flowers for my organizers.
Let's see that. Alright. Okay, sure. 20 and 20, 40. How much is that?
25, please.
Oh, 25. Why am I taking 20?
Alright guys, so I've been searching for flowers from last week Sunday and I finally find 2, which I'm not even too loving, but it is what it is. I had to take something. So I'm going home to decorate my organizer and I'll see you guys when I get home. Alright guys, see you when I get home. Okay guys, so this is where I wanted to put the flowers. This is where I wanted to put it. How is it looking? I wanted to get a vase with black, but I couldn't find a vase with black, so I had to take the white. But I think it's okay because the background is still white, so I think it's okay. Comment and let me know what you think. How does it look? And let me know if the black vase would look better. Because I already have a white vase down there, so I really wanted the black. But what do you think, guys? Let me know how it's looking. That's a close-up look of it.
closer look. What do you think, guys? Tell me.
Okay guys, so what I did, I removed the white vase from down here and replace it with a black vase flowers. I think this one looks better. So now I have two black vase at the bottom and the white one at the top, and I think it's better.
Alright guys, so I'm preparing some Sunday dinner. Well, it's not really for me because I am on a diet, but you know, I still have to feed whoever is around me. So I'm making some pork chops and just seasoning them up now. Push the season right in.
Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all on my next video. Bye.